Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is the first video of our Bitsat-Logical reasoning series. There is a certain type of problem called rule deduction problems, which are asked in your Bitsat exam. So I'm going to explain you today what these problems are and how to approach them because that is really important. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin with the video. So in these problems, what happens is you are given a certain rule. So now here the rule is closed figures become more and more open and open figures become more and more closed. This problem was asked in 2007 Bitsat exam. So now here closed figures become open. Now see, in the A option, the closed figure is a triangle and it is opening a little bit. But the open figures become closed. So here there's no open figure that is closing. So this is not our option. Second, see B option. Closed figures become more and more open. So is this closed figure becoming open? Yes. These two closed figures are becoming open, but there is no open figure becoming closed. So this is not our option. Now we'll check it for option C. Closed figure, this square is becoming more and more open. Moreover, this is a kind of open figure which is becoming more and more closed. Can you see? And inside also the triangle is becoming more and more open. Here not even this circle, square, here the smaller square, they are not becoming open. So here our option is answer C. Likewise, you have to approach these problems. Let's see the next problem and pause the video, try to figure it out yourselves. You can play it again and then you can listen to the solution. You can pause the video. Hope you paused the video and found out the answer. Any figure, the rule here given is any figure can be traced by a single unbroken line, unbound retracing. So a figure should be drawn without traced by a single unbroken line, unbound retracing. So the line should not be retraced. So how are you going to draw that? So definitely this figure, every person can know that this figure cannot be drawn that way. But this can be drawn, this can also be drawn if you think a little bit. But if this is not fitting in the rule, this is the A is not the option. See the B. B can be drawn without lifting up the pencil. So here actually B is the answer, but we'll check for option D and C as well. So this figure cannot be drawn and even this S figure because you will have to pick up the pencil once. So this is not our answer. Moreover, the D option is not our answer. So here we have B as our answer. So let's move on to the third question for this video. You guys should pause the video. I'm not going to repeat it again, but I think that you should pause the video and then solve it yourself and then listen to the solution. The third question is closed figures become more and more open and open figures become more and more closed. So we have seen this. So now you try to solve it. And the answer here is B because the closed figures, these two circles are becoming more and more open and this is a open figure which is becoming closed. And in the end you can see this figure as an open figure and this figure as a completely closed figure. Similarly, see in the other options, it's not the case here. In any of these, it should follow a proper pattern. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer for B. This is the answer for the third question, which is B. Next question. See the rule. series become complex as it proceeds. So the figures should become more and more complex as they proceed. So see in the A, this is a line. Okay, this is becoming complex, a bit more complex, very complex. And after that, see what they have done is they removed a line from this. So it is not becoming continuously complex. They removed its a little bit of complexity in A. So this is not our answer. It's becoming complex. Yeah, it became complex, but see again, now another circle here, a semicircle is removed from here. So its complexity is not continuous. So this is not our answer. See the C option, complex becoming a little bit more complex, and here it's increasing continuously and finally became really complex. So this is our answer. We'll see in option D as well, even though we have found our answer, option C. It is complex becoming complex, a little bit less complex, and the final figure is also less complex than the third figure. So this is not our option. Our answer is option C. The last problem for this video. Now this is a constant type we have seen. This is the third question of this type in this video. So closed figures gradually become open and open figures gradually become closed. So by now you might have figured out that the answer here is option C, because this rectangle is becoming more and more open, and the open figure, which was two sides of square, became a complete square. This is not seen anywhere in the remaining options. So here the entire figure is changed. The circle became the triangle. So this is not possible. Here the circle is opening, but the square became rectangle and then it is opening. So this is not right. Even here as well, it was a square and then it became circle. So these are not even our options to think of when entirely they change the figures. So this is the end of our video. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please click on the like button and please click on the subscribe button as well to never miss an update, because now it's only a very little time left for your Bitsat exam. I'll be uploading every day a new video for logical reasoning or English. So please subscribe to the channel to never miss an update. Google form of this quiz is given in the description box. You'll find the quiz based on rule detection problem. Please solve it. You'll get more practice for these kind of problems. So I'll conclude here. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.